Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to join a meeting in your Google Meet. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Google Meet account. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Google Meet app. Here I go. Now at the top you can see two options, new meeting and join with a code. To join a meeting you have to tap on join with a code, tap on that. Now you have to enter the code provided by the meeting organizer here. Here I will be entering the code. After you enter the code, you have to tap on join at the top right corner. By tapping on that join, you will be able to join the meeting that your meeting organizer has organized. In this way, you can easily join a meeting in your Google Meet. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.